Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today, I am going to make one of the most beautiful cocktails ever created. The gorgeous water lily daiquiri. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Let's start with a daiquiri glass. I am not using a pre-chilled glass. So, first I will chill the glass. I will put 3 to 4 ice cubes. And pour little water in it. Now I will stir slowly for a few times. In this way the glass will be chilled very quickly. Okay, let's focus on the cocktail. I will pour 1½ ounces of white rum. You can use any of your favorite white rum. ½ ounce of simple syrup. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Now I will squeeze approximately ½ ounce of lemon juice. You will be surprised to know that this classic cocktail was created in Cuba, in the early 1900s, when Cuba got independence. Now I will pour 1/4 ounce of Grenadine syrup. Grenadine is a pomegranate-flavored syrup, and generally used to give color. Now I add 4 to 6 ice cubes, and shake vigorously. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Okay, my daiquiri glass is now perfectly chilled. So I will empty the glass, and pour the cocktail straight up into the chilled glass. You are watching Spice Trail. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. This method is known as the shake and strain technique, in mixology terminology. If you want to know more about this technique, please write to me in the comment section. Please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Now I will slowly pour about 1/4 ounce of blue curacao, to create a blue hue at the bottom of the cocktail. This is not a cocktail, but emotion. Make this water lily daiquiri cocktail for your special ones. And watch the reaction. I will slowly stir to create a beautiful blue hue at the bottom of the cocktail. Now I will use a dehydrated lemon slice, to decorate this gorgeous water lily daiquiri cocktail. Cheers for your beautiful life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon, with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.